Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a vacuum for all my vacuums. So I'm going to start off with the red, and then we'll go with the pistol, and then we'll get the door devil, and then we'll get the blackjack, and then we'll get the salt. So yeah. Okay, let's get the vacuums going. So we're going to start with this Oreck I got today. So Oreck, it's so a great vacuum cleaner. It's a bag. It's a bag vacuum. I got some bags in here, a belt. So yeah, this one is like 2 cents, so it's awesome. So let's get going. 1, 2, 3. So the Oreck did a really good job. Now let's get the pistol. We'll see how it goes. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. So yeah. Alright. Let's get the pistol going. Yeah, the Oreck's a little bit heavier than the pistol. So yeah. Alright, let me wrap it up. Of course, really stiff. Pretty soon it won't be stiff. Right now it is. So I just got it. Or it's more expensive, but this one is probably about $60. So it's quite expensive. It's not bad for a price, so yeah. Of course, really long. Really quiet too. It's kind of loud, but it's not too loud. So, other vacuums, those ones are really quiet. This one's really quiet too. Because out here, driving the cars. There we go. Set this aside. Got a push when it's not on. Set it right there. Alright, 4 more to go. Got the pistol. Left. Yeah. Well, at least I was going to say like 4 more to go. Yeah, I just said that. So yeah, we'll see how this one goes. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so so the pistol did really good job actually. Now it's gonna go double. And we'll see how it goes. Yeah, ow. I'm saying ow for some reason. Keep hurting myself, I don't know why. let me wrap it up. Well, yeah. This one is really awesome. Yeah. I get really getting passes, but I get feel like, I get really getting passes, but I get feel like, I don't know. I'll give it another video in a little bit between the rank and the circle, because I was saying that one goes to so yeah. Come on. Wow. Okay, still don't get what going. Me, this is this all right here right now. Alright. Remember to go. It's got the dark yellow left and the black arrow in the circle. So yeah. Okay. So this. Of course, not really. You know. So the chorus kind of sore on this one, but still pretty good vacuum. But let's start about it. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the girl will get a really good song. Now let's do the black gecko. We'll see how it goes. So yeah. Let me wrap it up. Oh yeah. Of course it just still has the Oric, but still good vacuum. Now I feel like the Oric is a really good vacuum. Right. To the black gecko going. Alright, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Plug it over here. Alright, so the black gecko will get really good shot. Even if it had plugs when I was vacuuming. The core is kind of sore. I should have got a black extension cord, but story about it. The Ori has more like a long core, and so does too. And the Thistle has more like a short cord. But Dorkdale has like a long cord, so that's good. It's not too long as a Sergeant Oric. And used to have a Kirby, but I took it apart because I got rid of Yammer. So I took it apart. So the garbage can. I didn't really Yammer, so yeah. I had for quite a while, but it was just time to get it apart, so yeah. Nope. So the garbage now. Well, one piece of like on the other side. I got the other ones, but still good. Alright, here we go. Alright, so the show did a really good job actually, so yeah. We'll get this cord back on. Back in, yeah. Okay, so the show did a really good job, so yeah. I already said that, so I don't want to say it too much because, well, I don't know. So right here for right now. Yeah, that was a pretty good video, guys. So yeah, I'll post it on my YouTube channel. So yeah. So see you in a little bit. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. I was gonna say that. So yeah. So my next video will be me evacuating the Oric. So yeah, I'll be back video. See you in a little bit. Bye.